Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to recover WhatsApp Business Chat. In order to recover your WhatsApp Business Chat, you generally need to have a pre-existing backup storage or stored in the cloud or locally on your device. Now, this is most common way to restore chats when switching phones or after reinstalling the app. So what you want to do is first thing first, deleting the WhatsApp Business app from your phone and download it again from your Google Play Store or an app store. Once you've done that, you then need to go ahead and open the business app onto your device, WhatsApp Business. After which, it's just gonna ask you to verify using the same phone number. And when prompted, you wanna make sure to go ahead and select Restore in order to restore your backup. Your message will be restored first. You have to follow media, photos in the background. And this way, you will be able to recover WhatsApp business chats. And Android device automatically creates a local backup of your chats every day at 2 a.m., storing up to a last 7 day or last 7 days as well. So this way you are supposed to back up. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.